To request to redeem or reinstate a voucher program beneficiary, proceed to the Redemption or Reinstatement of VPBs tab. Select the school year of re-entry. And the grade level of the VPB to be redeemed or reinstated. Then provide the learner reference number and the last name of the VPB. Upload the letter of request signed by the school director or principal. Click Submit. There are two types of letter of request. Unredeemed voucher is for qualified voucher recipient who was unable to redeem the voucher in grade 11 immediately after grade 10 completion due to health reasons or death of a parent or guardian. Reinstatement is for a VPB who stopped schooling in grade 11 due to health reasons or death of a parent or guardian and would like to continue as a VPB in grade 12. A template for both letters may be downloaded from the system. Billing of reinstated VPBs is subject to the review of the PEAC National Secretariat. While the review is pending, the box beside the VPB is disabled when creating a billing statement. For updates, check the status of service requests page regularly.